Alright, so in this video we are finding the gradient using the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now this is revision, so it should be something you're fairly comfortable with, but we might just go over it again here. Now, in order for you to find the gradient using this formula, you're going to need 2 points. I'm going to choose a point here and a point here. It really doesn't matter which points you use. You might be given those points in a question, or you might be able to select them yourself. Now, these points have coordinates of 3, 4 for our top one here, and this one has a coordinate of 2, 2 here. Now, the next step here is to name your points, point 2 and point 1. It doesn't matter which one you label, point 2 or point 1, as long as you're consistent. So I'm going to call this point 2, and I'm going to call this one point 1. Now, within point 1 and point 2, you have an x coordinate, which we can call x1 in point 1, and a y coordinate, which we can call y1 in point 1. In point 2, you have x2 and y2. Once you've labelled everything like that, it's really straightforward to put it into the formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now point y2, or the number y2, is 4. You can see that y1 is 2. And x2 is 3, and x1 is 2. So that's going to be 4 minus 2 over 3 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. That gives us a gradient of 2 over 1, which is going to be a lot easier to just write it as 2. This particular line has a gradient of 2. That's finding the gradient using the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.